How to remove unwanted objects from your photos in iOS 18.1. If you've captured a perfect image of a stunning sunset at the beach, but there's a trash ruining the foreground, don't worry. With the help of iOS 18.1 new cleanup tool, Apple is focused to make such photo frustrations a thing of the past. Apple's new cleanup tool uses Apple Intelligence to analyze your images and intelligently remove unwanted elements while preserving the natural look of your pictures. However, it's not as powerful as desktop editing tools, but it brings impressive object removal capabilities right to your iPhone. GadInsider has compiled a step-by-step guide on how to use cleanup to enhance your photos. In the Photos app, select a photo that you like to clean up. Tap the Edit button. Tap Cleanup. The tool may require to be installed the first time you select it, but it won't take long. If any object has a luminescent glow in the picture, Cleanup has identified it for potential removal. Tap to select it, or tap, brush, or circle something else you want to remove. Tap Done to finish.